I'm Dr. Kanishka. I have come all the way from Agra for this laparoscopic training under Dr. GajananGPatil sir in Kewal Laparoscopy Centre in Jalgaon. So my experience for these past 15 days after gaining the training under him has been quite enriching and amazing. So these 15 days of training were a very good hands-on that I received under him. The best part about this training is that he starts from the very basics of laparoscopy. You do not need to know any prior, you don't need to have any prior laparoscopy skills or knowledge about the surgery. He starts from the very basic incision till the how do you take out the specimen and all the variety of cases that you witness in taking out the specimen in all the minimally invasive surgery. So the best part about this training is that it besides hands-on, he guide you through each and every step of laparoscopy, and he will also tell you about the forthcoming complications and the mistakes that you are bound to do at each and every step. So I found this fellowship to be really good, and beyond his surgically skills, I've also learned a lot about his patience and his teamwork and how he keeps the OT environment so good with all the things all well organized for the planned OT. And you in these 15 days you get to see all the minor cases right from the basic TLS to many advanced severe endometriosis cases. So these trainings and all the guidance and the knowledge that he has given has really helped me build up all the skills and made me a bit confident for my upcoming future. So I would recommend everybody who is like genuinely interested in doing a basic laparoscopy and even want to witness the major complicated surgeries to come and do laparoscopic training under him. Beyond a good surgeon, he's a great teacher to get your hands and skills refined under him. Thank you.